Solace Jet Realty stands for helping people to sell properties. The experience that you experience every day has, blend us into the system and to understand what the system needs. And that's when we reach out to people like that, and that this is the way. I think there was a friend of mine I was discussing with. I was telling him, hey, you need to buy a land. Buying a land can save you a lot of things. Buying a land can save you a lot of things. And he wasn't understanding it. But the truth is that I have get to see people who at their lowest level, it was the property that they have bought over the years that they were able to lay hands and went to the bank and tell the bank, I have this property and I want to sell this property, but look at what's going to happen now. I want to use this property to collect a loan which I will pay you people back. And that property, what the man actually needs is, let me just say, 110 million naira. He actually needs 110 million naira. And that property that he wants to sell, he wants to use as a collateral, will be, if the bank should value it, if it is being valued, it is equal to the loan he wants to collect from the bank. When the bank, the bank may be afraid, probably if he doesn't, return back the money tomorrow. And when they want to sell off the property, they may decide to sell it off sale, or the bank may not come and give him that 110 million naira. The bank will decide to give him 80 million naira, thereby removing 20% for that money. But at least you have gotten 80 million naira. You have gotten 80 million naira. And if you look backwards, that land, when you bought that land, is likely you bought that land at 1.5 million. But now, for you to go and collect a loan from the bank, you are looking at the equal value. How do you actually know the equal value? Because you called a real estate developer or real estate company and tell them, please, what is the current value of this land now? What is the current value of this land? And they were able to analyze it for you, telling you the current value of the land. That is why you were able to go to the bank to collect that loan, investing that money back into your business. That really boosted your business, and you were able to make back that fund, go back to the bank and pay them off their money. And some persons end up not even paying the bank, because indirectly, let the bank take the money, let the bank take the land, because that's only what the bank will do. Indirectly, you have sold off the land, giving it off to, because if you check how much you have also, the profit you have acquired within that few space, you actually acquired a lot of profit. And that is why we tell people, buying a land is an investment. It's not a wrong decision. Alright, that is why you need people like us who will tell you this is where the value lies. You invest rightly, this is where the value lies. This is where the value, buying a land, this is where the value is. And once you buy that property, see, once you buy the property, just go and relax. Just go and rest. Everything becomes a blessing for you.